What is going on, Trader Gang? Happy New Year. Hope everybody had a great one. Sorry I'm popping on here a little bit late. Let me switch my thing real quick. All right. Hope everybody's having a great one. Sorry I'm popping on here a little bit late. Let me just check my technology and all that, make sure we're good. So I hope everybody's doing good. All right, we're good. So y'all can see I'm all decked out in my Niner gear, So even though my Niners lost by a point to the Rams, so that sucked. But it's all good. We're still number one seed right now, so all good. All right. All right. So yeah, happy New Year, everybody. It's 2024. It's a new year, so it's time to get these profits. So let's bring up the calendar. So let me share my screen. All right, here we go. So let's bring up most recent. So January 7th. So tomorrow, what do we got? FOMC, Boston Speaks. So no red letters. Tuesday, what do we got? FOMC, Bar Speaks, Economic Optimism. So nothing too crazy there. Wednesday, final warehouse wholesale inventories, crude oil, FOMC, Williams Speaks. Thursday, we got CPI. So CPI, guys, and unemployment claims. So whenever we see unemployment claims, we see a huge spike. So definitely watch out for before market open. So Thursday, Friday, we got PPI. So two things, CPI and PPI, Thursday and Friday. So watch out for that. Cool. That was pretty simple, easy. All right. All right, let's take a look at gold. So this is on the weekly. So what I saw earlier, gold was tanking. So it looks like it's still doing that. So at first it was all the way up here, and then it dropped. So I think we're going to continue to drop. So let's clear this out. There we go. So this is where we're at. So we are still bullish though. So because if we look for the trend on the weekly here. So of course we're still looking good. So we're still bullish. So, excuse me. But if it does break this area right here, if we do break this area or this candle right here, we could very well push down, because if we break this support area right here, we're definitely going to see some low. We're going to hit some lows here. So, but if it respects this level right here, let me get my little line here. So if we respect this line here, then it could just bounce off of here and then go up. So we could see it to come here and then bounce up and then come back up here. And we could come back up to these highs here. So, but we'll see. So, but as of right now, it's tanking. So, but at least we have our trend line right now. So again, I'm gonna put that our weekly is still bullish. All right, so weekly is still bullish. Then let's go down to the daily. So again, you see the daily here. So again, if it breaks this right here, we could very well target these lows, even possibly these lows here. But we'll see, because we could have a bounce. So it could bounce off of this and come right back up. So we'll see, but this is becoming a strong bearish candle. So, and what typically indicated that here was also this right here showed that it was going to basically reverse also, because of course you see these dojis right here. So of course it lost a lot of its momentum. So it basically, these are exhausted candles. So we have a nice bearish candle right here. So this could very well come down to here, maybe support it and then go back up, or it could surpass it. And again, we're going to target these lows or these lows. So it just depends on the market. So we will see what it does. But as of right now, since this is the daily, and again, also since it hasn't broken this candle yet, you're still bearish, or sorry, bullish on the daily as well. Oh, there's something. There we go. All right. All right, so we got that. So again, weekly is bullish, daily bullish. All right, so now we are going to do our support and resistance, supply and demand zones. So of course, we're going to target our support for right now. So see a support right here. That's going to be one support. Do that blue. Another support here, because it has hit here multiple times. All right, and then we do have another support right here. So this is what I would call our most recent. So because I could pull it all the way down to here, because that candle did go all the way down to there. So, but I'll just pull it to about right here, and we'll see if it'll respect it. But if it blows through it, then again, it's probably going to possibly hit this support area here and maybe bounce back up. But we shall see. And then let's get our resistance level. So last high is going to be this resistance here. So that'll be one resistance. So because this is above this currently. So that'll be, yeah, let's do that. So again, we have a zone right here. So if I did expand this a little bit, so you see here, we do have some zones. So what was it? The beginning of December 4th, literally came all the way up to here. We hit all-time highs, 21, I want to say 2148. And then literally came all the way back down here, came all the way down, and then closed right here. So, and then we had a little bit of consolidation here, then it dropped all the way down into this zone right here. And then December 13th ended up popping all the way back up. We had a little bit of pullback, and then literally popped all the way back up to this zone here. So again, it can very well respect this zone and then continue up. Or we can break here, and then it's a break of structure. So we could end up going into this zone right here. So we just got to see. Got to see if it's going to respect this support level right here. So there's our support and resistance for right there. Let's do our psychologicals. So our horizontal lines. So I would say I'd like to do maybe right here. It's a weird color. Yeah, maybe I'll do it right here. So 2073. Get 900. Another one. Let's see. Right here. 2035, 940. This is 2035, 308. Okay. So I'm going to just do 2035. Boom. Another one right here. 2019, 165. Should make that even. And the last one I'll do about right here. So 1978, 807. We'll do 800. All right. So I'm going to remove that. All right, let's go down to the 4 hour. So as we see the 4 hour here, so the 4 hour, we're actually consolidated. So again, we haven't gone past this previous candle here. So, or this one. So I want to say, I mean, we're definitely in consolidation on the 4 hour. Please look at all this. That's all consolidation. So again, we're going to see if it's going to support this area right here. So as we see here, look how many times it's hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, multiple times across the board. So we're going to wait on that. What was I going to do? Oh, 4 hour. 4 hour. I'll say consolidation, indecision. There you go. 4 hours consolidation. So that's what I see for right now. So usually if we see a consolidation like that, we're either going to continue down or it's going to reverse back up. So we got to wait for the breakout. So the breakout here, since this is a pretty big bullet bearish candle, it could literally break through, and literally we could, if there's news like come Thursday, Friday, depending on which direction it's going to go, it could literally drop all the way down back to 1978, this level right here. So in this zone. So we've had a lot of area like in this zone for December, beginning of December. So here, Friday, we came all the way down here, came back up, consolidated, came back down, came all the way back up here, came back down, came back up, and then came back down, came all the way back down, now consolidated. So we could very well go all the way back up, or we could continue down. So we just have to see. So even as I'm watching right now, it's continuing to go down. So because if we look right here, so we still have a little wick. See, it's filling that wick. See, it keeps going back and forth, back and forth. So it's testing it. It's going to see if it's going to break it. So this is on the 4 hour. Let's go to the hour. So look at that. So we have this, I guess hammer doji, if you want to call that. So usually that indicates that it's getting weak. So it could very well respect this area right here and go back up. So we got 52 minutes. So literally 8 minutes ago, that candle closed. So it closed right here. So it's starting a new candle. So this candle could very well become a bullish candle and go up. So let's see what's on the 30-minute. So you can see even here we have a lot of consolidation, just a little bit of movement, but just up, down, just no real big movement like this, and back down. So earlier, this would have been the time to get in. So this was Wednesday, and it went all the way down to 11 a.m. It was bearish the whole time. So let's see, it's going to 15. So see, it's playing with it. Oh, sorry about that. My live's still on. Okay, looks like we're live. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry guys, did I not click over? Oh wow, sorry about that. Sorry, you guys were listening to what I was saying the whole time and nothing else. So I'm not sure if I'm still live anymore. Oh, okay. There we go. Want to make sure we were good. Okay. So yeah, I don't know if you guys got to see all this, but probably not. So let me go back real quick. So again, on the weekly. So for you guys that didn't see this, we marked up our zones. So weekly was bullish. Our trend line is still bullish. So, but it looks like we are, if it does break this area right here, it is going to turn bearish. So on the daily, again, still daily is bullish. If it does break this candle right here, then it will be bearish as well. So that will change. So, and then of course the 4 hour, I said we were consolidated. So we definitely have a bunch of consolidation right here, from here to here. So that was pretty much it. And then we marked up our key levels here. So on the daily, so these are key levels, key levels here. So support, supply and demand. So we have our resistance, support, for right now. And then we did go down on the lower time frame, so the 4 hour. So it's really respecting this area right here. So we're trying to just go on the lower time frames and see if it's going to break through it. So right here on the 1 hour, we saw that this is getting weak. It's losing power. So because of this tombstone doji right here too, so it has this long wick. That means that it's getting exhausted. So this usually can mean that it can reverse or it can continue down. So, but as of right now, it looks like it's respecting this area. So we can go down on the lower time frame, 30-minute, even the 15. Let's see. So you got 3 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. So let's see what the 15-minute what it does. So it looks like I zoom in on this area specifically. See what it wants to do. See if it's going to break this area right here. I mean, it has literally all the way to here, though. If it does break through. But again, usually the candles are going to be the strongest. The wicks, that's just where it went to. But here you go, it just broke. Yeah. So with that being broke right there, it could very well break through here. Just my thought. So we will see. So let's give it these 2 minutes here, and then we'll move on to US30. So I've been like mapping out or doing the breakdown for US30, but I haven't traded US30 since I started this because I want to stick to gold. Like gold is gonna do some big things this year, so I'm excited for that. So look at that, it pulled back. So let's see if it respects those previous lows right there. This previous candle right here. These two candles. So yeah, it pulled back. It's pulling back even more. But usually that could be also a buildup to push farther down. So let's see, we got a minute left. Let's see what happens. Uh, 20 seconds. Man, let's see. Last 10 seconds right here. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what this next candle shows. Go ahead and get a green candle. Let's see. See if it keeps going down. Oh, yeah, we got a green candle. There we go. See how aligned it is? That's going to end up a double top, watch. Or double bottom, excuse me. Let's see. See if it pumps up. Yeah, look at that. It's going to be a double bottom. Oops. Make it super thin. Oh, let's see. There we go. Yeah, it's going to be a double bottom. So it could go all the way back to here. Go all the way back up. So very easily do that. So again, since we got a green candle right here, let's go back on the weekly look. So see, it's respecting it. So even on the daily, so we got a little bit of pullback there. So we'll see if this ends up pulling back all the way. So okay, that is it for gold, guys. So again, we'll see if it's going to continue to respect this and not break this area right here, break this support level of 2035. So we will see. All right, let's go to the US30. All right, US30. So let's clean this up. All right, here we go. It's on the weekly. Here we go. So man, look how much US30 has been bullish all the way since October. It literally hit all-time highs as well. So that's crazy. So, and we're starting to see a little bit of pullback. So nothing goes forever. So it could very well pull back right into this area right here, these previous lows. So we're definitely marking the trend. So we haven't broken this low yet. So we're still bullish. So according to this, we're still bullish. So we marked our top down. So our weekly is still bullish. All right, weekly is still bullish. So until it breaks this right here, we're still bullish. So let's go to the daily. All right. So, but to be honest with you, it looks like we got some consolidation here. So on the daily, like not too much movement. Like just all this. This looks like consolidation to me. It's not really a lot of movement. Even if I went just right here, it's not a lot of movement. Like we kind of just went up, came across, came down, came across. Still haven't broken this previous candle. So until we do that, I don't really see much happening. Once we do that, we have to see if it's going to support this support area right here. So as of right now, I'm going to say the daily is consolidated. Daily consolidation, which more likely in the 4 hours is going to be consolidated also. All right. So, but on the daily, we still mark our key levels. So, of course, with this being our area right now, I'm going to mark this area here. So, and then of course, our resistance area is going to be here. So, and then of course, I'm just going to mark one more area for right now, which I think would be right here. Oops. So right here, here we go. So that's going to be my area for right now until we see this break through this area. And then we can see if it's going to target any of these lows here. So, but as of right now, this is all I see. It's sort of consolidated. It may break out to the downside here. So, which is more than likely because, again, we had all this bullish movement. And because of the way the new year is going to be going, I think we are going to go down. We're going to be bearish moving forward with US30. So just my prediction, just where I feel like we're going. So even with that said, I could do one more right here. Could be another zone. So it could break through this one, go down here, and then even target these lows here. So but as of right now, this is kind of what I see it. So the 4 hour to me is consolidated also. For the 4 hour, put consolidation pending breakout. So this is definitely going to break out. So, but again, if it respects this support level, then it could very well go back up, and we could see it hitting the previous highs. So we shall see on that. 4 hour. Yep, 4 hour. We're still consolidating. We're just in this range right now. So we have to see if we're going to break through here and be in this range here, or even come down to here. So, but let's go back to the daily. We did mark up our key levels, support and resistance. So again, we can put some psych levels. Let's say right there, 3373. Let's just make that even. Here, let's say about right there, 33. Again, I'll make that 0. Then for this one right here, it's going to be 37087.0. Then last one be about right here. So 36584.0. All right, so we got our psych levels. So again, we'll go down on the hour. We'll see what it's doing. So again, we have some consolidation still. So it did get weak here, and then we did have a strong candle, and then came back up. So as of right now, from what I see here, it looks like we have a double bottom, and it looks like it may come back up here. So just from what I see, let's see, let me get my path. So I personally see it coming like this. Could come up to these levels here, come back down a little bit, come back up into these areas, come back down, come back up, kind of something like that. So it's kind of just what I see. Could also break down as well. So, but as long as it respects this area right here, the support level, it could very well go back up. Again, it could stay in this range. So all this right here. So because it's all consolidated right now. So it could go back here and then come back up. So we have to see if it's going to stay in this range. Otherwise, it's going to break through here, and it's going to basically hang out in this range. So it may come all the way down here, target these lows, and then target these lows, maybe even these, before it goes back up. So that's just what I see on US30. So we will see what happens. So same thing here. Like we had a huge push down. This is on the 30-minute. So we had a huge push down here, which now I think we're going to push back up. So I don't foresee it to fake out and break through, but I think it's going to stay in this range. It's going to target these highs again, target these highs, and even these highs. So I think we may go back up, but just from what the daily and weekly was showing, just because of how bullish it has been, we'll see if this is just a slight pullback before it goes back up, or it could very well, have a complete break of structure and just break through all this. So that's pretty much it, guys, for gold and US30. So hope you guys got some value from that live, like I always do. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. A little update on my account that I've been trying to grow since the last couple months. Took a couple losses in the last couple weeks. Last week before Christmas, I didn't trade the entire week. I was almost up $400. Literally this past week, I lost about $200. So my account, I'll show you guys. My account is currently. Hold on. Let's see. Give me a second. I forgot my code. Oh, there it is. I was wrong. So just so you guys can see. So of course I took this trade earlier because I literally thought it was going to go up and touch these highs again, but it ended up, of course, trailing down. So I'm currently at $116. Of course, you can see a little bit of my history. So took a bunch of L's. So I lost 128 on the first or the third. So on the third, lost about 127. I was risking 0.1, so 0.10. So 170 cents, lost 20. So of course took a lot of L's. So roughly almost $200. I mean, I had a big win. Let's see, where was it? I did have a big win last week. Let's see, where was it? So, oh, this was the first. So sorry. Let's go for the month. So I did have a big win. So I had a lot of green days here. So I'm trying to see where my big day was. I had almost $100 profit in one day. So 52. Trying to find it. 40. Let's see. I had 41, 29. 39, 34, 42, 50. Oh, so I must have been a few of these because some of these I had maybe two or three going at the same time. So, 109. There we go. So on the third, I actually won 109. So, but then I ended up losing literally a couple hours later. Lost 128, and then just kept losing after that. So account's currently at $116. Still trying to grow it back up. I almost got it to $400 before the new year. So I'm just going to grow it back up. I'm going to keep adding to the account as well from time to time. But as of right now, it's at 116. So we will see what this week holds. So yeah, we will see. But other than that, That is it. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. Sorry. So this, so this was my account right here. So of course I have 116.35, and there was my $109 profit right there, but then I lost it. It was at 128. I took a loss, and then a couple more losses after that. So again, counts at 116, but we're going to continue to grow it back. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for the live. Appreciate you guys popping on. That did pop on. Please continue to comment, like, subscribe. I definitely want to grow my YouTube even more this year. So I appreciate you guys as well. I want to grow it to at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be doing more videos, more videos of my journey, stuff like that. So stay tuned for all that. But again, as always, have a great trading week, and we'll be back at this next Sunday. All right, peace, guys.